As I control his arm, I'm going to lift it up a little bit to open that sector up, okay? And then from that position, I'm going to shoot in with my knife. I have to pass the elbow, because if I don't pass the elbow, sometimes I could ram right into his elbow with my bicep, okay? Right now I've got under control and I'm holding that sector open with my left hand. So it's going to be like this, okay? All right, so I replace it there. Once I've replaced it, now I've got something out that's holding the under control of his arm, okay? When I do that, nothing is holding the upper side of his arm, and so he might be able to just kind of go out or even go up and it just goes out of the control, okay? I'm going to replace it and then turn this over to control right there, okay? Just like that. So it's going to be up, control right there. It's going to go 1, 2, up, control, and in. From there, I'm going to pull with the knife to get that cut, and I'm going to push his arm across like this, okay? So this is the position I'm going to end in. And then from there, I'm going to cut out and do the same thing I did from the one sector, okay?